Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. I, Manisha Arora, welcome to you all in our social studies class. Today, we are going to read the chapter 10, The Splendid South. In previous classes, we have read the big cities of North India, Western India, and Eastern India. Today, we will read about the big cities of South India. So let's start. First of all, we will do an activity. Get set. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these southern states. First is Karnataka. Number 2, Telangana. Number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Number 4, Tamil Nadu. And last one is Kerala. In this lesson, we will read about some cities in South India. First of all, we will read about Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It was earlier called Madras. Chennai is located on the southeast coast of India, facing the Bay of Bengal. It is an important port. Now, climate of Chennai. Chennai is warm throughout the year. The city gets a pleasant sea breeze. Chennai receives more rain in winter than in summer. As you all know, Chennai is exception. It receives rainfall in winter season, not in monsoon season. Now, food and clothes of Chennai. Rice is the main food. It is eaten with sambar, rasam and curd. Idli, dosa, vada, appam and uttapam are popular snacks of Chennai. People speak Tamil and English. People wear both modern and traditional clothes. Men wear veshti means dhoti. ये एक टाइप की धोती होती है and shirt. They also wear trousers. Women wear sarees. During festivals, girls wear a pavadai which is a long skirt. Festivals में यहाँ पे girls एक long skirt पहनती है उसको बोलते हैं पावादई. People usually wear cotton clothes throughout the year because it remains hot throughout the year. Now, festival and dance of Chennai. All the main festivals are celebrated here. Pongal, a harvest festival, is celebrated in January. Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is famous for its music, art, and weaving. Now, industries of Chennai. Railway coaches, cars, and trucks are made in Chennai. It also has a large film industry. Hundreds of films are made here every year. Chennai has many means of public transport. Metro rail service is one of them. Now, tourist attractions of Chennai. Chennai is an important tourist center. The main attraction of the city is beaches. यहाँ पे बहुत beautiful beaches है because it is the coast city. The Marina Beach and Edward Elliott's Beach. Other places popular with tourists are the War Memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, Fort St. George Government Museum, Gundai Snake Park and Kapaleshwar Temple. This temple is famous for its stone carving. Like other cities, Chennai also has many malls. यहाँ पे कई malls भी हैं. Now we will read about the Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the southern city of India. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier called Bangalore. It is also popularly known as the Garden City because here are many gardens in Bengaluru. Most people speak Kannada. Metro is popular mode of transport. Bengaluru has many industries such as aircraft, textile, chemicals and electronic goods. Many computer companies have their offices here. Bengaluru is also one IT hub. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Some places of tourist interest are Lal Bagh, Tipu Sultan's Palace, Government Museum and Aerospace Museum. Vidhana Sauda is a famous landmark in the city. Now we will read about the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. It is also known as the city of pearls. Sikandrabad is located close to Hyderabad. These two cities connected by the Hussain Sagar Lake. हुसैन सागर लेक सिकंदराबाद और हैदराबाद को कनेक्ट करती है, आर नोन एज द ट्विन सिटीज़. इन दोनों सिटीज़ को ट्विन सिटीज़ के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. द चार मीनार इज द प्राइड ऑफ सिटी. अदर प्लेसेस दैट टूरिस्ट लाइक टू विजिट आर सालरजंग म्यूजियम, गोलकोंडा फोर्ट एंड चाउनमाला पैलेस. Students, do you know the Charminar was built to mark the end of plague in Hyderabad? It was completed in 1592. Now we will read about Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. It was earlier called Trivandrum. People here speak Malayalam and English. Some places of tourist interest are Kovalam Beach, Ponmudi Hills Resort, Napier Museum, Reptile House and Sri Chitra Art Gallery. The city has a good public transport system. The weather remains pleasant throughout the year. People celebrate Onam and Vishu with joy in Thiruvananthapuram. The Lighthouse Beach at Kovalam Beach attracts many tourists. As you can see, this is the Lighthouse Beach. Now we will read about Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam, popularly known as Vizag, it is the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. It is surrounded by beautiful hills and has many beaches. Vizag is a port city. It also has facilities for making and repairing ships. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. The Rushikonda beach is very popular among the people. Dolphin's Nose, INS Kurusura Submarine Museum, Beach Road and Indira Gandhi Zoological Park are a few other places that tourists visit. Telugu is widely spoken in Vishakhapatnam. Students, a macaw is at the Indira Gandhi Zoological Park in Vishakhapatnam, as you can see in the picture. So it is all about the southern cities of India. In this chapter we have read about Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Sikandrabad, which Hyderabad and Sikandrabad known as twin cities, and which lake is join these cities. Yes, connected by these cities are connected by Hussain Sagar Lake. And we also have read about Thiruvananthapuram and Vishakhapatnam. Read the chapter 2 times. Thank you. Have a nice day.